Obesity is now recognized as a serious chronic illness that often results in declining health, pain, and isolation.
From what I can remember, I've always been overweight ever since I was a little girl. I used to weigh 326 pounds. That was the last time I recorded this.
At my heaviest, I was 315 pounds. I had high blood pressure and sleep apnea.
I was a diabetic. I had high blood pressure and I ignored it for years. But it also kind of pushed me being told that children might not be a possibility for me because of the overweight and diabetes.
In 2016, I was diagnosed with diabetes. And if I wanted to continue living my life, something had to be done right away.
If you've struggled with weight loss and have had no long-term success with diets, it may be time to consider weight loss surgery.
I thought I can do it on my own, so a whole year I gave it my all.
I did everything from acupressure, supplements, protein shakes, calorie count.
I tried the cabbage soup diet. I did low-carb diets. None of those ever seemed to work.
Parkview Hospital Center for Weight Loss offers an alternative to failed diets while potentially reducing or eliminating obesity-related illnesses such as diabetes, high blood pressure, sleep apnea, and depression.
I noticed immediately that there were changes. Before I was released from the hospital, I was no longer diabetic. It was great. I mean, I was already able to stop taking some of the medications that I was having to take.
My diabetes is completely gone. I also was diagnosed with endometriosis. Because of the weight that I've lost, it's completely gone. And of course, my little baby that's on the way, that's one of the major things, being able to get pregnant.
For over a dozen years, our weight loss program has been recognized as a center of excellence by the American Society for Metabolic and Bariatric Surgery, the gold standard of accreditations, as well as by United Health Optum, Cigna, and Aetna. We're also a center of distinction for Blue Cross and Blue Shield. These designations signify that our hospital program meets strict standards associated with best practices, including outstanding patient outcomes, a high number of patient surgeries performed annually, and long-term follow-up and support. At Parkview Center for Weight Loss, we want you to know that we're in this together.
The girls were always there to help. I call them the girls because they became my close friends during the whole process.
They take you through every step of the surgery. There are things you need to know. There are classes you need to take.
I was very nervous the first day, but he joked around, made me feel very comfortable, and told me everything's gonna be okay, everything's gonna be fine. And then I woke up, I was already in my room. It was so fast.
My surgery stay was wonderful, actually. The day of surgery, I checked in, I went to the OR, got a little nervous, but other than that, the staff was wonderful on third floor.
They want to make sure you're committed to the lifestyle change.
Parkview Center is unique in that it offers a comprehensive program of preoperative, surgical, and postoperative services, which include preoperative and postoperative consultations, education, dietary counseling, a designated hospital recovery wing with private rooms designed especially for bariatric patients, a team of experienced professionals, including bariatric surgeons, anesthesiologists, internists, psychologists, and dietitians who participate in patient care, a personalized team approach for step-by-step assistance throughout the process, a program coordinator who serves as point person and liaison for the clinic, patient, and hospital, a monthly support group facilitated by a licensed psychologist.
I am now at 180. I went from a 46 waist down to a 32 waist.
I've lost a total of 135. My glucose almost went down immediately. Being able to fit into normal clothes instead of having to shop always at the plus size section. And
After a month, I reached out to put the same clothes that I was wearing the night before surgery, and it was loose. And that's when I was like, okay, wow.
I have a lot more energy. I'm a lot happier. I have no problem going up and down stairs. I am able to live a better life. I have a total lifestyle change. Things are great all around. One of the best things is you get a whole new wardrobe because everything you have won't fit you anymore.
Our highly experienced surgeons are fellowship trained in bariatric surgery. They're dedicated to their profession and have overseen thousands of cases as a group. The most common surgeries they perform are Roux-en-Y gastric bypass and sleeve gastrectomy, and they also perform revisions. We're a participating provider for most health insurance plans. Our center offers special cash and financing options for patients without insurance benefits.
If I haven't seen somebody in a while, they may not recognize me at all. They're shocked by the way I look. Oh, I didn't recognize you. And it's a great feeling. I don't have a problem going to a pool and taking a swim or going to the gym. I'm not self-conscious about things. It's been life-changing.
They're always impressed. They're always shocked. I mean, they don't have to say much. Their face tells me everything. They can't believe this is me. It's a good feeling.
my only regret would be I did not choose to do surgery sooner. I'd say don't think about it, just go for it. Think about the outcome. That's my best advice. I tell people, just go for it. Don't think about it, just go for it.
Don't put it off. Your health is not something you want to wait on. You want to get it done and take care of yourself. Your life is important.
Are you ready to take the next step in your weight loss journey? Call 951-352-5643 to speak to our coordinator and schedule your personal consultation. At Parkview, we're here to help you lose the weight and keep it off.